Skin aging mistakes you should avoid. Common face habits that speed up aging. They seemed harmless at first. Things I use daily without a second thought. But over time my skin told a different story. Dull tone, dryness, fine lines appearing earlier than expected. Aging starts with small daily choices. I did not change genetics. I changed habits. What most people miss is not a miracle product. It is what should never touch the face. 11 common things that age skin faster. Harsh bar soap. Bar soaps strip natural oils. This weakens the skin barrier. The American Academy of Dermatology warns against Hive cleansers for facial skin. Alcohol-based toners. They create a tight feeling. That tightness is dehydration. Library research links chronic dryness to premature wrinkles. Lemon or baking soda. Natural does not mean safe. Acidic or abrasive products damage skin pH. Mayo Clinic explains that pH imbalance disrupts skin renewal. Skin barrier science simplified. Healthy skin holds water and lipids. Damage increases water loss. Makeup wipes daily, they tug the skin repeatedly. Friction accelerates fine lines. Toothpaste on pimples. This causes irritation, not improvement. Inflammation speeds visible aging. Essential oils undiluted, concentrated oils can irritate skin. Contact dermatitis weakens collagen over time. Hot water, heat removes protective oils. WHO hygiene guidance notes heat increases skin dryness. Expired skincare. Active ingredients degrade. Some become irritating rather than helpful. Rough towels or scrubs. Micro tears add up. Gentle contact preserves elasticity. Fragrance-heavy products. Fragrance is a common irritant. Ad highlights fragrance sensitivity is widespread. Ignoring sunscreen indoors. UV penetrates windows. NIST-supported studies link UV exposure to collagen loss. My real turning point. I removed just 3 of these habits. Within weeks, texture improved. Not perfection, just progress. How aging really accelerates. Chronic inflammation breaks collagen fibers. Skin repairs slower with repeated irritation. Moderation matters. Skin response varies by type and condition. Not suitable for everyone. Sensitive skin reacts faster to irritants. Medical note: consult a dermatologist for personal care decisions. Simple, safer swaps. Use loaf cleansers. Pat dry with soft fabric. Choose fragrance-free products. Tracking improvement. Watch hydration, glow, and comfort. Photos monthly show real change. Final thought: aging slows when irritation stops. If this helped, tap like. Closing message: protect skin daily. Future you will thank you.